Hello friends, how is it going? I hope all is well. In this video, I want to tell you how to render this scene. Okay, um, you can change or adjust the camera view by pressing N on the keyboard and go to the view and camera to view. Okay, you can change the camera perspective like this or this. I want to uh like this. Okay. Um, I want to render my cube. Okay. Step one, go to the render properties. Click on this. I want the you can change the render engine. This is there are three render engines: EV, Workbench, Cycles. And I want to use Cycles in this video. Okay, and change the device to GPU compute like this. Okay, and change the samples to 64. Enable the noise in 64 and enable the noise. Okay, and now go to the scene or output properties, change the resolution what you want, the resolution you want. Okay, I want to use full HD resolution, and you can change the format of the file. I want to use JPG, and the quality is 100, and you can choose the file of the result. I want to this. Okay, the the step is finished. The next step is render. How to render? Okay, you can go to the render tab. Okay, click and render tab. Click and render image. Okay, the cube is being rendered. Okay, the render has finished. This is the cube. Uh, I made. I think. Okay, the cube has finished, and you can save this photo again or change the name of the photo by click image and save. You can choose the directory file of this photo. I want to change the name Rubik cube like this and click save as image. Okay, and now I want to check uh, the result like this. Now, this is the result, or this is the cube I've made. Double click on this, and boom, the cube has finished. Okay, you can change the color what you want, or change the uh, camera angle, camera review, or the lighting. You can set the lighting. Okay, okay, the cube has finished, and the tutorial has finished as well. Okay, I think that's all I can say. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And goodbye.